guys, it's Mazenko here, and today I just want to talk about the something called the PowerSound Shortcut. So remember I used to do the PowerSound Shortcut. Look at this, it's going to be right here. Going to be PowerSound. We're going to be using PowerSound 1.3. I'll link it down in the description below. But what does this shortcut do? Let me teach you. So we're going to go ahead and close it. Now I just want to briefly talk about if you get a file which looks like a lot of text that you do not know. And if you don't want to delete it, if your storage is full, well, this is going to help you. First of all, this is what you will see when you get the shortcut. So let me show you what does that mean. So we're going to go ahead and back. So let's go here. Now look, you will see what all of these. So how to interact. Well, I'm going to be giving this thing out, but the admin one is personal. So we're going to go. Okay, guys, I got this right back. Now let's go ahead and see what does that mean. So we have a comment here. We're going to go ahead and go to Setup. We're going to go ahead and go to Customize Shortcut. And this is what you'll see. You'll see Setup Shortcut. And if you do it on your iPhone, this is what you will see. Say, it ought to be catchy and nice, and what you want it to say. You can say like PowerSound, or I'm just going to do test here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it. It has to be nice and catchy, because every time you open it, you're going to see it. So we're going to click next. And then you can just like set this to how many seconds you need. Copy it, and then next, and then this is the final question. How much notifications, options of notifications you want it to be? The more, the random will take. Or you can just like click done, but you cannot skip it. And then look, you've got it ready. And by the way, we have a 5S here. This one is on iOS 12, and it will only work with iOS 15 or later. So if you have an iOS 14 device, unfortunately, I could not make this for you. But anyways, guys, it's only for iOS 15 users and above. If you have an older device and if it's you update it, please do it. But if you have an let's just say an older device like an iOS 12 one, unfortunately, you cannot. Now, let me go ahead and show you what I mean by. Let's get this file. What does this mean? Let me click on share. By the way, let me turn the volume down, because I'm scared it's copyright. And we're going to search for a 1.3 test. You will not see this on your device. Only see 1.3 here. But anyway, let's scroll down. We're going to click on 1.3 test. And then will tell us to start. Our volume is down all the way. Click start here. And it will play it for you. But if it does like this, let me show you. What's this? So if you hear this, there should be an issue. So let me show you what I mean by. Go into share. You gotta click on copy. Go ahead and click this. We're gonna go ahead and go into test. Go ahead and click on start. Whoa! Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And then, yeah, here you will enjoy the music. Enjoy as far as you can. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in the next video. I'll remind you when version 1.4 gets released. have fun with this shortcut.